Poor blood circulation in the legs and feet can lead to discomfort, swelling, and even long-term health complications if left untreated. Incorporating specific vitamins into your diet can support blood vessel health, enhance blood flow, and alleviate related symptoms. Below are 5 vitamins that are known to improve circulation in the legs and feet, explained in a narrative format. 1. Vitamin C. This vitamin plays a vital role in maintaining the health of blood vessels. It supports the production of collagen, which is crucial for the structural integrity of arteries and veins. Additionally, vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress that can damage blood vessels. Improved vessel health translates to smoother blood flow, especially to extremities like the legs and feet. Sources such as citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens are rich in vitamin C, making it easy to include in your diet. 2. Vitamin E. Known for its ability to enhance blood flow, vitamin E prevents blood clots by reducing platelet aggregation. This vitamin also helps maintain the elasticity of blood vessels, ensuring that blood can circulate freely even in the smaller capillaries of the legs and feet. Foods like nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils are excellent sources of vitamin E. Regular consumption can lead to noticeable improvements in circulation over time. 3. Vitamin D. Often associated with bone health, vitamin D also influences blood circulation. This vitamin helps regulate blood pressure and supports the relaxation of blood vessels, promoting healthy blood flow. Poor circulation in the legs and feet can often be linked to vitamin D deficiency, particularly in individuals who have limited sun exposure. Supplementing with vitamin D or consuming fortified foods can address this deficiency and improve overall circulation. 4. Vitamin B3, niacin. Niacin is essential for improving blood circulation by widening blood vessels and reducing cholesterol levels that may impede blood flow. Its vasodilatory effect is particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from peripheral artery disease or other circulatory issues in the legs and feet. Incorporating niacin-rich foods like poultry, fish, and whole grains into your meals can help boost circulation naturally. 5. Vitamin K. This vitamin is integral to blood clot regulation, ensuring that blood flows smoothly without forming harmful clots. Vitamin K also contributes to the maintenance of vascular health by preventing calcification in arteries, which can hinder circulation. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are rich in vitamin K and should be a staple in any diet aimed at improving blood flow to the lower extremities. By focusing on these 5 vitamins, you can take proactive steps toward improving circulation in your legs and feet. A balanced diet, combined with regular exercise and other healthy lifestyle choices, will not only enhance blood flow but also contribute to overall vascular health and well-being.